The OpenCart COD with fee extension lets you manage COD orders by adding flexible fees. Set a fixed or percentage-based COD fee for each order. Automatically calculate COD charges at checkout. Customize fees based on customer groups or locations. Provide a smooth COD payment experience for customers. Simple admin interface for quick configuration. Hi guys, this is module understanding video of cash on delivery module on OpenCart store. So here we are proceeding further to first install the module. To install the module on the OpenCart store, you should first log in with your FTP details. Once you will log in, on the left side, you will have a correct directory of your store where you will find the image admin system catalog files. Here, only you have to install the module. On your left side, you will have a location where you must have installed the module file folders. Now go to the folder. Here inside the folder, you will find the upload and OC mode files, so you have to go under the upload. You will find the catalog and admin files. You have to drag from left to right side so that the files will get override in the store files. Then you go to extension tab. Here you have to make the filters of the payment, and under payment, you will find the cash on delivery with fee. Here you have to first install the module. Then you have to go on the extension. Move on to the installer tab. Here you will find an upload button. You have to click here. It will redirect you to the local where you have to choose the file and upload it here. Then you have to move on the modification tab. Here you have to refresh and clear the cache so that module get activated for your store. Then move on to the extension. Make a filter of payment. Here then you will have a payment method of COD fee that you have installed. Click on Edit button. This is the module configuration page. Here the first field says to disable the module. So you have to enable it, and here you have to set the priority. Now disable the multiple payment methods. In case you want to display multiple payment methods, you have to keep it in nimble and click it on Save button so that it will give you a message of settings have been saved. That shows that the modification that you have made in the configuration is being saved now. Now move to the payment method profiles. Here you have to create the profile based on which the COD fee is going to apply it on your customer's order. Once you will click on Add COD Rule, it will show you a form where you have to fill all the mandatory details. The first is to enable this rule, so you have to enable it. Then you have to enter the name of the profile title. Then you have to update which type of COD you want. You want a fixed or you want percentage? Here we have first selected the fixed one. Now you have to enter the amount of fixed the 100 will be applied to the. If user will select the COD, then 100 USD is going to apply as a charge. This is going to be visible when the minimum order amount is 1 and the maximum is 100. Now on which country you want your COD to be worked, so you can select the country which is available in your store. You can manually select any of them, or else you can select all. Then the group, which group you want your customer to have the facility of COD fee. In the career you want it to be available for your store, along with the COD fee. Here, the initial order status, when the order will get placed with the COD. What would the order status is going to be the order. You have to select the order status here, and you can set the priority. If you have created a multiple profiles, you can set the priority based on which the COD charges is going to apply for the customer orders. Now let's right now. We are created with our fixed amount. Now let's create with a percentage. So again, creating a new profile where you have to same field, the name of the profile, title of the profile. The type of profile you have to select as a percentage. Now you are having an option to select in case you want your charge to be applied without shipping or with shipping. So here we have an option of total order without shipping. Now enter the percentage amount. The percentage amount is going to apply when the maximum fee is 1 and the minimum is 1. The maximum fee is 100. The order amount is maximum amount is 100 and the minimum is 1. It is going to apply for all the countries, for all the groups, for all the shippings. The initial order status for this will be charged back and the priority of this profile will be 2. Now click on Save. We are already having this with the name, so let's edit the name and click on Save. Now we are having the 2 profiles. Let's check how it is working on the front end. Go on the front end. Now here you have to add to cart the products so that you can check the COD fee profile how it is working on the checkout. You have to select Add to cart a product which is in a stock. So let's add to cart another stock products. Once you have added to cart, then move Proceed on the checkout process. The address, you have to fill all the details required for the delivery address shipping address. Now here, as you can see, the second profile is available, which is the priority 111 is available, which we had given the fixed amount of 100, as you can see here. So if we have selected 100 and proceeding to complete the order, this COD fee is going to apply and will be visible in the invoice and the total order history as well. As you can see, the total amount was 17.90 USD, and the 100 is applied as per the COD profile. Now let's add to cart one more product to check how the second profile is going to apply. As you can see here now, the COD Rule 1 is applied, and which is 2.19 USD, since this is the 10% of the total order. So you have to select the COD fee when you will select, and only the charge is going to apply to your total history. Now complete the order. Now go on the history and check how the COD fee has been applied. In the total order, as you can see, this is the invoice history, where the COD fee charges has been applied to the total order of the amount. So this is how cash on delivery fee module works on OpenCart Store. Thank you.